Okay, today I'm making zucchini curry pasta noodle curry pasta curry noodle zucchini noodles. Anyway, for this recipe you need salt, pepper, curry, cashews, but I use them soaked. I soaked them overnight. Half a tiny avocado, and also like some little tomato. And also I'm using two like mid-sized or whatsoever zucchinis, you know. And when it comes to equipment, you need a spiralizer, you know, this is what you need, and a blender. I don't know. Maybe a spoon or something as well. I don't know. Okay, but that's the two main things. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just gonna like blop. The struggle is real. It's a little too large, you know. It's like a little too big. I did it. Yay.
Alright, so I'm adding the rest of the ingredients together. The peanuts, the avocado, the tomatoes, and a little bit of water.
Make sure not to add too much.
Curry, pepper,
nom nom nom,
and salt.
Go. Man, this looks good. This looks good. Look at this. Does this look nom nom? I mean, it does look nom 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 nom. Okay. How am I supposed to meow meow? What is this cooking show? You know, it's like who made this cooking show? I don't know. Finished. You know, the exact measures I don't really know. You can just add a little bit more curry, or a little bit more salt, a little bit more curry, a little bit more salt, a little, and then you'll find it's an optimum perfect amount of tastefulness. Okay. Okay, little too much pepper maybe. You know, and also like when it comes to water, you can just add a little water, add a little water, add a little water until you get the nice, like, you know, that's how I do it. Wonderful. It's just wonderful. Now the biggest question for me is how my body will respond to this. You know, something can taste wonderful, but the body is like, bah, you know, like that. So that's what I'm gonna explore right now. I'm just gonna add this, you know. Whoop.
So I've done this recipe once before, and the last time I didn't soak my nuts. This time I soaked the cashew nuts, and I can say that it digested way better. But still, this was a recipe that is quite filling, I would say. So if you crave a little bit of heavier food, this might be something to consider. Thank you!